Right. Welcome once again. Please let me know if you can hear me on the chat box. Can you hear me loud and clear? How is our audio and visual? Please confirm. How is our audio and visual? Can someone confirm, please? How is our audio and visual? Please confirm. Okay. Okay. So I want to believe that my picture quality is nice, is fine, and you can also hear me loud and clear. So let's go to the chat. Okay. Okay. Let me try to fix my network. Like my network is bad. Let me try to fix it. Okay. Lawrence, Ando, you're welcome. Please confirm. Can you hear me very well? How is my audio? How is the visual? Please confirm. Okay, fine. I have a better connection now. I have a better connection now. All right. So let's uh let's jump into the business of the day. Okay. So this is our USD card. We are still USD card has not started falling. It's still consolidating within that our entry area. So we're still expecting it to pay us soon. Recently, for some of us that are on the Telegram channel, I shared this trade with you guys, USD JPY. You all knew that we analyzed this during the London session. So I quickly shared the entry with us when it was ready, and we were not live then. We were not live when it gave me the entry parameter. So I decided to share with us at the I decided to share with us on the channel as well. So USD JPY, if you are not on USD JPY, you still have all the time to jump in for yourself. And remember how we arrived at this entry. We arrived at this entry because from 4 hours on USD JPY, we expect, you can see our analysis. So we're expecting price to tap into this particular zone and we'll find reason to enter that sell. And I found the reason to enter. I found it met all my entry condition was met. So I shared it with the students and I also decided to share it with the Telegram community. So if you're not on USD JPY, sell right now. And if you're not on USD card, you still have all the time to also jump in because there's no much movement yet, right? So you have that opportunity to also jump in and sell USD JPY and USD card. So they're all good for your for entries, right? Let me check my network again. Okay, fine. Now I have a better network again. So network is back fully. Okay. So if you're not on those pairs, so you can find your way in right now, right? So like I said, I shared this one with you guys, but these other ones, I'm writing it down. I'm writing it down, right? I'm writing it down. Then gold. Let's find entries on gold if there's any yet. Not at all. So we don't have any entries on gold. Remember, we're expecting to sell from here. That's the big time direction we're expecting gold to go, right? Before we ride it up. Or if we pull down to this zone, we can be jumping in for a buy. So none of the above yet. So no need. So we'll just go and check other pairs. Remember, the idea of this session, New York session, is for us to be able to look for our entries. We analyze, look at the direction we expect the market to go during the London session, and during the New York session, we come back for our entry, right? So as you can see here right now, we don't have entries on this particular pair. So no entries yet on this one. So let's go back to check the next pair, Euro USD. Okay, so Euro USD, we are expecting price to pull back into this zone and look for ourselves. Let's see where price is. Price actually pushed up, but it didn't tap into that entry. So once you tap into these our entries, we might be jumping in for a sell on Euro USD. But right now it has not gotten to that, so no trade on Euro USD. Don't have any entries on Euro USD. Then GBP USD. Yes, GBP USD has actually met one of our conditions. I remember that condition was we expected USD GBP USD to break this particular low here, which has been broken, right? When it break this particular low here, we'll be expecting price to push back into this zone here for that sell to happen. But the way it is right now, we may have to look for this a break of structure. Let's do this very well. We have a change of character here. Which zone are we expecting price to get to? Let's find out. Okay, so this is a good zone. This zone here is a good zone. This is a good zone to look for that sell on GBP JPY. Sorry, on GBP USD. Sorry. So we're expecting that sell from here. So we expect a pullback into that zone, and we'll be looking for a sell opportunity. So let's expect price to dip inside this, and we expect our sell downward here. Okay, so that is GBP USD. So no entries on GBP USD yet. There's no entry on GBP USD yet. So let's proceed. USD CHF. No entry. GBP JPY. Yes. GBP JPY finally come down to this particular low here. So let's see if we can have our way up. So what we're expecting from GBP JPY is reasons to form our entries here. So you just tap into it. You don't have any reason to jump in yet. So we'll just wait and see how price play, right? To see what price what price is going to form. What is going to give us a reversal pattern here. We'll jump in for a buy. But right now it's on that zone, but we're not seeing any entries yet. Then Euro AUD, no entry. GBP AUD, yes, GBP AUD is also on that particular zone we're expecting a buy from. So what we'll be looking forward right now is reversal pattern. We'll see reversal pattern here. We jump in for a buy. Then this one here, this AUD USD. Remember, we're expecting change of character to happen, and we look for pullback and we'll sell. So let's see what happens. Yes, we'll have a clear change of character on AUD USD. So we have a clear change of character here. So we're expecting price at this level for us to look for that sell. So that is AUD USD. So right now, no entry yet. Until find that entry, reason for entry. So we're not taking any trades. So we're not taking trade on that. Then GBP cards, GBP cards. Oh, GBP card refused to tap into this zone, and it finally sold. That's massive. Sold. And right now we'll be expecting it down here. Hmm? So I'm sure that will be tomorrow. We should be expecting those entries by tomorrow. So this one has also taken out this low as expected. Not pulling back yet, yes. So also wait for it. So we're waiting for a buy here or a sell here. GBP NZD on its way to the level we're expecting. But before then, if you pull back to you have broken this low, if you pull back to this level, if you pull back to this zone here, we'll be entering this trade for a sell, right? We'll be taking that trade for a sell. But right now, our buyer still hold. Our buyer still hold on that. Then BTC, not yet. Euro GBP. Woo, Euro GBP is crazy. Okay, GBP has taken out this down zone, has broken down zone, so we expect it to come back to this uh, demand zone. We expect it to come back to this demand zone for a buy to happen. So that's when we're expecting it to get to. And we'll buy up there. AUD card, not yet. And finally, Euro JPY. Remember, in the morning, we looked at this, change your character, and we expected a buy here. And I came down to 5 minutes, and I was expecting some structure to be broken. Look at it. So I told her I want price to break this low before I can confirm for that sell. Price didn't break the low, it went up and finally came back. This is when it broke. So we'll have another higher high here. Well, we probably change your character here. So we should be expecting our sell around here for Euro JPY. So we're expecting our sell around here. Okay, so that area is good for a sell. So we can sell, look for a sell around here. So that's all we have for today. So tomorrow by New York session, sorry, London session, we'll be looking at the pair together. And by um by the New York session tomorrow, remember tomorrow is NFP. By tomorrow, maybe we may come before the NFP or after the NFP to come and see what price has done and possible entries for us tomorrow. So this is all we've got for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow during the London session. Take good care of yourself and trade safe. Bye.